(1500 plus vocabulary with right uses of words and related images that help you to memorize longer. Let's start. Abash, বিব্রত করা. The constant attention of the young boys abashed her. Abate, প্রশমিত করা বা তীব্রতা কমে যাওয়া. George spilled a pot of coffee on his leg. It hurt quite a bit. Then gradually the agony abated. Abdicate, পদত্যাগ করা. The king abdicated from his throne. Aberration, গতানুগতিক না. During summer, a snowstorm in Kashmir is aberration. Abhor, ঘৃণা করা. We abhor bad politics and dirty politicians as well. Abject, অত্যন্ত দুর্দশাগ্রস্ত. He died in abject poverty in 1961. Able, সক্ষম. He is able to do the work alone. Abnegate, পরিত্যাগ করা. He abnegated alcohols for his daughter. Abolish, বর্জন করা বা উচ্ছেদ করা. The death penalty is to be abolished before the end of the year. Abortive, ব্যর্থ. The goalkeeper made an abortive attempt to stop the ball. Average, সংক্ষেপ করা. The editor had averaged the massive book by removing the boring parts. Abrupt, অপ্রত্যাশিত. Roma's response was abrupt and sharp enough to be hostile. Absolve, কোনো দোষ বা অপরাধ থেকে মুক্ত বলে ঘোষণা করা. The priest can absolve people for their sins. Abstinent, কোনো কাজ পরিহার করা. Neil abstain from cigarette. Abstruse, দুর্বোধ্য বা জটিল. Nuclear physics is a subject that is too abstruse to understand. For more videos, subscribe our channel and keep your learning ahead. Thanks for watching.